Hi, this is Visi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule stream on Twitch desktop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you want to grow your audience and keep viewers coming back, consistency is key. One of the best ways to do this is by setting up a Twitch stream schedule directly on your channel. So in this video, I will show you how to schedule stream on your Twitch account. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open your Twitch. You can log into your account on Twitch. Now you can go to your uh, dashboard home, your creator, your channel. You can select on your profile. You can go to channel. You can go to your channel. Sorry, you can go to your profile. Now you can go to dashboard, creator dashboard. There is an option schedule a stream. You can just select on that. And in here, you can start schedule your stream. Time zone is localized. Your viewers see your schedule in their own time zone. Now you can add stream here. You can add the title. You can add the category. Like this, you can add the time. At maybe you want to start your stream at 7 a.m. for 4 hours or 2 hours. Let's try to 5 hours and the minutes. You can frequency every Monday or every Thursday or every Sunday, every Friday, for example. You can add another. After you finish, set the schedule, you can just save changes. Now you have add your stream schedule on your stream here. If you want to cancel the schedule, you can just select on delete. It's very simple, right? So that is how to schedule stream on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.